Good morning and welcome. It's an exciting day here in the city of Riverside as we open up our second drive-through COVID-19 test site. With our partnership with Curative, we're now able to offer drive-through testing in 2 locations here within the city. It was just 1 week ago today that we opened up our first drive-through site and Curative's first site in the Inland Empire. So in 7 days, the popularity has been overwhelming with rapid testing in various locations throughout our city. We're excited to now offer this on the west side of our city for those living and working in these neighborhoods. So I'm excited to introduce our Mayor Pro Temp and Ward 7 Council Member, Steve Hemingway.
Thank you, Brian. Good morning and welcome to the kickoff here of our new COVID-19 testing facility here at the La Sierra Senior Center. As we know, testing is an important and positive way to slow the spread of this virus. And this is especially important now that Riverside County finds itself again in the widespread purple category in the state's managing system. We all want things to fully open again. Our local businesses, that favorite restaurant, our places of worship, and our schools. And testing is the key. That is why we've kicked off this partnership with Curative last week, as was mentioned. Curative, this process is easy, it's painless, it's a self-administered COVID-19 test, and now it's here in the city of Riverside. And since last week when we kicked it off, we've had, as was mentioned, record numbers throughout the city. 7,000, I think, is what we've done in a week, which is incredible. And in addition to the Mission Grove Plaza site, Curative is also providing testing in our local parks using their mobile van, which is extremely helpful and convenient. And today, we bring the drive-through testing site here to our La Sierra neighborhood, and this will provide more convenient testing locations for anyone living or working south of Van Buren Boulevard. So I really want to encourage everyone to take advantage of this opportunity and schedule a test today and regularly. It's quick, it's easy. It's just simply go to riversideca.gov/testing or curative.com, curative.com, and schedule your test today. This will help us move forward, and we can do this. So thank you Riverside, for taking the steps necessary to keep our communities safe and healthy. We have Councilwoman Placencia, Ward 5, here with us today, and she's going to say a few words as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor Pro Tem. And I'm out today. Welcome to the west side of town. I work in this area, so I'm very passionate about what happens here. So thank you, curative.com, and thank you, city staff, for bringing testing here made easier on the west side of town. It's easy, it's painless, as Mayor Pro Tem Hemingway mentioned. My daughter's 5, she's gonna get tested today, and you'll see it's painless. If she can do it, she's 5 years old, we can all do it. So I wanna encourage all those that live on this side of town, those that attend our schools, our parents here in the region, please come out, get tested, go to curative.com, make your appointment, make sure you're masking up, make sure you're practicing physical distancing. It is very important for us to work together. Please be respectful and compassionate of our residents here throughout Riverside so we can get through this pandemic together. Thank you again. Make sure you sign up, curative.com.
Thank you. And in closing, I just want to emphasize how easy that curative testing is. The test is very safe. At this mobile test site, you barely need to roll your window down to get the test kit. You will never interact with any of the workers here. It's efficient. The test results are being returned within 48 hours, with many people experiencing test results getting back even sooner. It's painless and non-invasive. All you need to do is cough in your mask, you do a self-administered swab, and it's that simple. It's effective. This is a PCR test that's FDA approved. That's one of the most effective tests on the market. And it's convenient. We have testing locations throughout the city. Once again, we can visit our city's website, riversideca.gov/testing, or curative.com. Appointments are recommended just to expedite your experience here at the test site. Many times it's a quick register online, show up, get tested, and let's all do our part to getting our city back to where we need to be. Thank you.